I'll show you how to activate the sidebar in Microsoft Edge, giving you easy access to tools and features while browsing. Launch the Edge browser on your device. Click on the menu icon, 3 dots, in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand menu, choose Sidebar. Locate the option labeled Always Show Sidebar at the top. Toggle the switch to the On position, indicated by a blue oval. The sidebar will now appear on the right side of your browser window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.